Who is Rhys ap Gruffudd? Known in history as yr Arglwydd Rhys, a ruler whose significance is not given enough prominence in Welsh history. Prior to the Norman invasion in the mid to late 11th century, Wales was split into several different kingdoms, including the Deheubarth in southwest Wales. By the mid-12th century, yr Arglwydd Rhys became ruler of the Deheubarth. During this time, the Normans were moving further into Wales. Yr Arglwydd Rhys captured and burned a series of their castles, including Cadw's stunning Llansteffan, Cilgerran and Cydweli. It is believed he constructed his own castle at Dynevor, the principal seat for his kingdom. He's also connected to some of Cadw's most iconic religious locations. He refounded Strata Florida Abbey, the resting place for generations of princes of the Deheubarth, and founded Tally Abbey in the 1180s. His love for music, literature and song still penetrates through Welsh culture today, founding the first Eisteddfod in 1176, a tradition that lives to this day. He was buried in St David's Cathedral in 1197, but his legacy lives on as one of Wales's fiercest fighters, most generous rulers and significant cultural influences. Visit these Cadw locations which shaped yr Arglwydd Rhys's life. Cadw, for us all to keep.